I've got 3 electrical outlets that won't turn on. I've already been out to the electrical box outside to flip the switches to see if it would come back on, and it doesn't. So when I turn this on, nothing happens. And it's this one, and then there's this one, and then there's this one. Now I've got this handy dandy tool, and when I plug it in, nothing happens. Absolutely nothing. It's like it's dead, right? And then I've got this other tool to confirm it. And nothing's going on in this third. Well, something happened there, but nothing here. And the power is on right now at the box. In any case, so in the second, back on. All right. So nothing's going on here. But when I hit it with this, something is going on. Okay, now this one here, oops, this one here, let's go ahead and plug it, and so I got a fault, open neutral, fault open neutral, and yeah, see, big difference compared to the other ones. Now this is the outlet before the outlet that had the open fault, and as you can see, it's working. So this one works, and then the next 3 down don't. So I cut the power to all of these plugs, and just double checking before I go any further to make sure everything is fine. Let's turn this back on. All right, so I'll proceed. What? Something's going on there. I need to take a look. All right, so I've got it pulled out so I could really see if we got anything going on, since I was hearing that red sound. Now I'm just looking for anything that might be amiss. The only thing that I saw so far is that on this one, that black at the top is a little bit sticking out. And then on this other one over here, I saw that the white one was a little bit, you know, maybe not all the way in. But outside of that, everything else seemed, you know, pulling on it tight. That's on. This third one. They're all just in like they're supposed to be. On the other ones, it's on. I don't see anything going on. It stands out to me as a novice. guess I will try to make sure that's all the way in and see if we get electricity back to all of the outlets. Let's see about this white one. Let's see. Okay, it feels solid. Okay, it feels solid. See that the black ones. Okay. I'd still like to push it in as much as I can though. But yeah. Next step to confirm it. And then I usually like to plug it into something that I know is live. It's not doing anything here, so we're good to go. Like this one, let's see if, oh, it only has, interesting. This one only has one white and one black, maybe because it's the end cable. Interesting, whereas the other ones have two, I'm assuming because they're downline or whatnot. Okay, let's see. So ground is, and that's okay, tight. So let's see if I see anything in there. That's a lot of dirt in there. Drywall or something. Probably should clean that out, but I don't see anything that's loose or anything. So over on the other outlet, really have no idea how to put the thing back in to where it's not sliding in and out. I've never seen these slots before, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. My only guess here is to maybe take a tiny bit off and see if I can push it in there and it clicks in or something. Right now it just pulls in and out. There's no clicking, so I guess if I can't get it to click in, then I'll have to buy a new one. Sadly, when I was using these, I cut it, so I had to strip some more wire. Maybe in the end it's better anyway. We'll see what happens. Well, a total accident of snipping the wire and having to recut is great because now it's snug in there. It doesn't pull out anymore. And I think that's gonna fix it. We'll see. That's great. They're all tight. So yeah, I'll put it back in and see what happens. I've got a stupid strip screw down there, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to just pull it out with the wrench. And then I found this from a light switch. It's leftover. Whoops, leftover. I'm gonna put that in there instead. So this is the outlet that had the fault on it, and I just turned the lights back on, and we're gonna test it after fixing. And look, it's correct instead of 30 and a fault. All right, we're back online, and then the second one that was out. Let's see. Okay, we're back. Okay, and the third one. Let's see, that was off. All right. Okay. And it was all because 3 went offline. This one was still on, but this was the actual culprit. The one where the wire was loose and I had to strip it and put it back in, snug and tight. So there you go.